Hello and welcome back to Wireman Swimsy. It is late, but this is the November paper pumpkin kit called Wrapped in Cheer. And I am about a week and a half late with this one because I was away for a couple of weeks, but I still want to do the videos. I still want to join you in the paper pumpkin fun. So what is in the kit? We have got our instructions. We're making 9 tags and little boxes, or maybe 8 little boxes and tags. And we've got a Mossy Meadow stamp spot. We've got some beige linen thread. We've got our stamp set. We've got Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas to, from, with love, a gift for you. That's really cute. From our home to yours. Sending a little Christmas cheer, and this really simple wreath. So we've got our stamps, and we've got these little red, they're matte, almost cherry cobbler embellishments, and some small dimensionals, and our adhesive spots. We've got our little boxes that we can make up. Okay, and they're all the Old Olive and Mossy Meadow on the inside, and then we've got our, I think it's probably a crumb cake on the outside. Then we've got our tags. Okay, so we've got these ones. They're decorated on the back and the front, so that's lots of options for doing some out-of-the-box things. And we've got our greeting die cuts, so that's what they look like that. Okay, and some more tags, another sheet of those, and then we've got these bows. Okay, so the bows are amazing, and I saw a little thing on Facebook by Amy Wilson, and Amy took the insides of the bows here and made it into a flower because they look like petals. So you put a whole bunch of them around together and you get a little flower. And I thought that was really cool. So that was Amy Wilson who thought that one up. And then we've got our die cuts. We've got a holly leaf wreath and just a regular leaf, and then we've got like a mistletoe bough and just some another piece of greenery. So we've got lots and lots of options with this kit, so stay tuned, and I will do up the videos. So there'll be I'll do one video on how to make up the box, and then I'll do a video for each of the tags in the kit, and then I'll do some alternates. So the colors in this one are basic beige, cherry cobbler, mossy meadow, and old olive. And it does coordinate with the Abundant Joy dies. So I'll be using those as well throughout the week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.